In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your security token in Salesforce. This process is straightforward and essential for maintaining the security of your Salesforce account, especially when integrating with external applications. So, let's get started and walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a look in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on your username. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. In that drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and select Settings. This will navigate you to a new page where you can adjust a variety of account options. It's a central place where you can personalize your Salesforce environment according to your preferences. On the left-hand side of this new page, you'll find a navigation panel with different categories. You're looking for the section titled Reset My Security Token. It's nestled among other settings related to your personal information and preferences. Click on Reset My Security Token to proceed. This will bring up the option you need to request a new token. Next, you'll see a button labeled Reset Security Token. What this does is generate a new security token that you'll use for accessing Salesforce from external applications. It's important to know that once this new token is generated, any old tokens you were using will no longer be valid. Go ahead and click the Reset Security Token button. Now, a crucial part of this process is knowing where the new token will be sent. After you've clicked that button, Salesforce will automatically email the new security token to the email address associated with your Salesforce user record. Make sure that your email address in Salesforce is up to date and that you have access to it. You wouldn't want your new token to end up in an inbox you no longer have access to. And that's it, you've successfully requested a new security token. Check your email for the message from Salesforce containing your new token. Remember to keep this token secure and only share it with trusted applications or people who really need it. And there we have it, a simple yet crucial process for maintaining the integrity and security of your Salesforce account. If you have any questions or if anything wasn't clear, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for more information. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more Salesforce tips and updates.